Hey guys, welcome back to Outlaw Dreams Garage. Today, we're going to work on Colin's Chevelle and try and get it running.
We're going to drag it into the garage. We're going to put the fuel pump on, some other parts.
And stuff. Stay tuned.
Alright, so we're going to try to get her all tuned up and put on a new cap, rotor, spark plugs, and a new fuel pump. I made a mistake here. This fuel pump only has 2 ports, and this fuel pump has a return, so I blocked that off.
Alright guys, the key to any good automotive work is to use the absolute oldest and crustiest parts you can find, especially when installing new parts. Or if you just want to get something running and, you know, you can replace it later. Fine. Shit, that's all I do.
Always go around the inside of your hole. It don't take much. And do both sides of your gas.
Alright guys, I don't know if you can see down in there. Let me get a light here real quick. Got the new fuel pump on and hooked up, and that's the only thing we've done so far, so we're going to see if it'll actually start and run on its own this time. Drag it.
Well, we got the fuel pump on. It's running now. Still ain't running right. So we're gonna look for some more possible problems. Hopefully figure it out. Come back with a solution.
So Colin, explain to us what you're doing under there.
Well, putting on this exhaust clamp so I can hang up this exhaust tube so it don't drag the ground no more.
That's
Those
probably
coat hangers aren't enough.
probably a pretty good idea.
I think so.
Well, Colin, now that we've got the car running, took it for its first test drive, and how many years down the road?
Probably 5.
What's next for the old dirty Chevelle?
Sounds like a new radiator. Starting to look good. Getting excited.
You're excited?
Yeah.
All right. Can anybody say blower?
Yes.
471?
For another video in the future.
There's Phil.
There's
Huh?
Phil. Yeah.
Outlaw Dreams Garage.